YAMAHA TDM900 Best Motorcycle Review 10V, Parallel Twin 6 Gears. The Yamaha TDM900 was a street biking oddball that was as brilliant beating congestion as swinging bends. The parallel twin motor was spunky enough for fun, while the wide bars really let you take charge and hustle. It's such an easy motorcycle to ride you could do it with your eyes shut. The TDM900 replaced the TDM850, which was on sale from 1991 to 2001. The 900 got a new aluminium frame and swing arm was a full 11 kilograms lighter. There's also the obvious extra displacement, with the TDM's motor now 897 cubic centimeters. For further information after this review or to talk to owners, you could visit the Yamaha TDM Owners Group on Facebook or the Yamaha Owners Club website. Ride quality and brakes. The Yamaha TDM900's XR1 brakes are good, and with the slim sides and lowish seat height, the TDM900 feels more like an oversized supermoto than anything else. Motorway speeds up to about 90 miles per hour are okay, thanks to the fairing, and pillions are well served with a nicely sculpted seat and decent grab rails. The headlights are rubbish, frankly. Engine. The Yamaha TDM900's 10-valve, 897 cubic centimeters, DOHC motor doesn't exactly rip your arms off with outright power, but there's a handy 50% more torque than a CBR 600 from the time, which makes overtakes safer and punching out of bends more pleasurable. It's a strange confection. The crank has a 270-degree firing order to make it feel more like a V-twin. Reliability and build quality. The Yamaha TDM900 is miles better than the older TDM850. The stainless exhaust, alloy frame and paint is much improved, but the mild steel suspension linkage is prone to the same rust problem as the 850. In 2006, there was a recall to address a problem with the TDM's throttle position sensor. We've got 22 Yamaha TDM900 owners' reviews on the site, with an overall score of 4.4 stars out of 5. There doesn't appear to be any common faults, though, and people seem generally happy with their purchase. Value versus rivals. Older Yamaha TDM900s can be had for the same price as a 10-year-old CBR, making them good value to buy secondhand. Compare it to a BMW GS, and it's an utter bargain. Both are aimed at adventurous nonconformists, but only the Yamaha TDM900's this affordable. Equipment. For an adventure-style motorcycle, the TDM900 is pretty basic, but that was the norm back when it was first launched. You do get an ignition-based immobilizer, for motorcycles onwards, though. Official luggage is available for the TDM900 too, and there are plenty of race-style exhausts to fit.